In today's video, I will show you how to make stylish font on Instagram bio. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So in order to add in stylish font to your Instagram bio, you will need third-party application. So for that, open a browser and then search for LingoJam. After you search that, we need to enter the first website, which is lingojam.com. You learn on this page. Now you will need to type in the bio that you want to add in your Instagram. You can type anything, and as you can see, you do that, you can see all the different kind of fonts start to appear. On the bottom, you can scroll down and pick your favorite one. Tap and hold on the one that you like and then tap on copy. Now you can hit to Instagram and in the profile section, tap on add profile. Remove your current bio and then paste it in one that you just copied. Tap on the click mark on the top right and you can see the stylish font now has been added to your bio on Instagram. So this is the way how to make stylish font on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.